Okay, so I would like to start by making my workstation visible. So I'm going to recreate these two types of work formats for myself. So I'm going to go into File, New, and then I'm going to make sure that I'm under Units of Measure, check pixels, make sure that's checked. I'm going to stick to 612 by 612, and I'm going to make sure there are two artboards, and then I will hit create. So I will have two squares next to each other. So like I said, I will be recreating this album cover that I created for a specific kind of mood and show you guys how it's done. Okay, so a few things that are happening here, if you noticed, is that we're very much working with typography, and we want to make sure that when we work with type, there are a few things that we need to consider. Is that with Illustrator, you've got active type, which means that you can still, type and manipulate the text according to how much you still want to add or subtract for your writing. Once you start getting into effects like this, you have to deactivate the text. So it's no longer active type. What it is it's a shape, and that's how you start manipulating areas such as the height of the type or the individual characters of the type, or even the size and amount of distortion. So we want to make sure we get the type to a place where it's deactivated and we can manipulate it to our liking. Okay? And I will see you in the next video as to how we can start laying out our format for this album cover.